Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to download Windows 11 iOS file direct from Microsoft. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you looking for download iOS file Windows 11. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. I will put a link in my video description. You can simply click over there. It will directly take you in Microsoft.com, which is Download Windows 11 Center. From here, if you scroll down, you're going to find here something say download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. So here we're going to click select download and then we're going to click here Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. After click over there, we're going to click here download. After click over download, we're going to see a screen appear just like this. Select the product language. From here, you can see there's a bunch of languages available. You can easily choose the preferred language you want. I'm going to choose here English and then I'm going to click here confirm. After click over confirm, we're going to see a new screen to be up here, which looks like Windows 11 English, and here writing 64-bit download. So we're going to click over again here, and then we're going to see a Windows 11 English x64 version 1 ISO file is going to be download. So after download, you can see the size is 5.2 GB. After download this iOS file, later on you can easily burn with a DVD drive, or you can easily a bootable pen drive, or whatever you want, or you can easily do with this iOS file. So within this way, you can easily directly download iOS file from Microsoft website for your Windows 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.